this is All Things Tech, and this is the tutorial showing you how you can print and use your own paper keyboard. It's a fantastic application, guys, so bear with me and follow these steps. You're going to need an iPhone, you're going to need a piece of paper, a couple of coins, and they're really just there just to keep the paper steady and stop it from moving, and obviously you're going to need a printer. I'm just using a normal DeskJet printer. Okay, so go into the app, the link will be in the description for where you can get it, and you need to download the PDF document which will be the template for the keyboard. It generates it on a web page. What I've done then is just emailed that template to myself. So click on the size that you need, so an A4 size. I've then shared that, click the share button and emailed it to myself. Once you receive the email, just open it up very simply and then print out the document. I actually printed mine in fast black and white draft. You don't need to have a very good copy of it, it just needs to be a standard print. And you'll notice on that piece of paper there will be areas where you can support it with a book to keep it steady, put the coins, and also where you're going to need to put the phone. So remember, folks, that this whole thing works with the front facing camera of the iPhone, so it's important that you line that up properly and just set it up like this. But you will, honestly folks, you will be absolutely amazed at the results. So go into the app. Now, I did purchase the full application, which is £1.49 in the UK. I think it's a couple of dollars in the US. But and that enables you just to do free typing, whereas the demo version only enables you to play games and press keys that correspond. But I promise you, folks, what's coming up next is the exact thing that's there's no fancy editing. I've got the iPad there, which is recording the screen of the iPhone, and then I just started typing, and what comes up is exactly what happened. I was absolutely blown away with the accuracy, the speed, and how well it worked. And it really was just like typing on a keyboard. It was bizarre. It almost felt like the punches down were being, related to the screen. And what was quite funny is that the screen, as you'll notice, there isn't a space bar on that screen. So right in the middle of the bottom row is the space bar. So for the life of me, I couldn't find the letter B. So I was going to be writing something along the lines of, are you impressed with this? If so, please like the video and then subscribe. And as you can see now, at this point, I'm struggling to find the letter B. It took me so long, for a moment I actually thought that there was no letter B on there, but then there you see I found it and carried on. But so it's a normal QWERTY keyboard, but right in the middle of the bottom row is the space bar. But I was really blown away with this. I thought it was fantastic. It worked really quickly. It was impressive. Quite what applications and how you're going to relate to this in everyday life and what you could use it for, I'm not sure. But there you go, guys. It's I think it's a fantastic new development, and it'll be interesting to see other applications that use this. So let me know your thoughts in the comment box, and please subscribe for more videos.